Hey guys, Henry here from Product Creation Formula. In this video, we're going to be talking about the best 3 free ebook cover sites for your PLR ebook that are not Canva. Okay, but before we go ahead and do that, I just want to let you know, here at Product Creation Formula, we love to give you tips and tricks to be able to help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we also do product reviews, as well as tips on how to make money online. So if that's the sort of thing that interests you, how about you smash that like button, as well as subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. Okay guys, let's go. Check it out. Hey guys, now here we are at a place called Stencil. Now Stencil has been around for a while now. Now let's have a quick look at what's actually involved in this. Now you can create beautiful social media graphics on the fly, and that includes ebook covers. And you can also go through and have a bit of a look through here. You can have a look at some of the designs and so forth. Now I know that you're probably asking yourself straight away, is this actually free? Well, let's go have a look at the pricing. Click over here. In just a moment, you can have a look over here. So, for hobbyists, you got $0, always free. Get started. Save up to 10 images per month, which is not too bad. Limited photos, limited icons. Upload to 50 images. Create up to 10 collections. Keep up to 10 favorites, and 10 Instagram SMS a month. And of course, if you decide to go $9 a month, you can then go through all this. Now let's have a look at the inside. Okay, now here we are on the inside, and you can see it looks kind of similar to Canva in some ways. But what we can do, if you can see this is not the shape of an ebook. Now what you need to do is go over here to where it says default, and you click on that, and then it gives you this menu right here, and you can scroll down until you get to where it says ebook cover. Whoops daisy, there it is. 16 by 2560, 1600 by 2560. So you click on that, and as you can see, it turns it into that. Now what you can do over here is you can choose any one of these images. Be careful, you may have to pay for some of them, but you can go through and have a look and make a choice. Now you may not like these particular images. Let's say for example you want something with computers, and you can just go like that. Now the best part about this particular one is it'll often reshape it to the entire book cover you want. And in just a moment when this comes up, you'll see what I'm referring to. Now let's assume you want this particular one here. All you have to do is click on that, and what it'll do is actually reshape it for you. Now you can grab that text, you can move it anywhere on the screen. You can change the font size, you can do the height and the width. You can make it bigger. And you can also add drop shadow if you wish to. Of course you can make, change the color of the actual outline of the text if you wish to, and make that white. As you can see, it's now got a white outline around it. You can also go over here to background color, which means it'll be a nice black color, or you can just do transparent, which is what we're going to do. Click on that, and as you can see, it's put a nice little box around there just to make it stand out. And the good part about it is you can place that anywhere on the screen. Alright, now let's assume you're not happy with the text. You can go over here, you can add text if you wish to. You can add some more text, you can add some different styles, and you can do all that. You can choose the size and so forth. So there's lots of things you can do to this. If you choose to have it over here and have, say, something down here, you can also change the color of the text by going here. If you want to make it like an orange or a red or anything like that, you can do that too. And you can make it whatever color you want. I think we're just going to keep it as black. Well, let's change the outline of the text so it's back to white again. There we are. It makes it helps it stand out a little bit more. And you can just muck around with it and put anything you like here, however you want it, just to make it look more professional. You can add your name here, by whoever, whatever your name happens to be. And yeah, it's very, very easy, very, very simple, and very, very quick. And this one is called Stencil. Now, this is the free one. Now, if you want to download it, you first of all have to save it, and what it'll do, it'll count down how many images you've saved. Then it'll open this box up, which will allow you to then download what it is you're wanting to do. And then you can download that. And also, if you want to preview and share it, you can do that as well. Alright, so let's go check out the next one. Here we are at Post on My Wall. Now, this is another free one that you can use and have a look through. Now you can do all sorts of wonderful things. It's not just about doing posters and so forth. You can also create Kindle ebooks and so forth, covers, and that's the beautiful part about it. So let's go over and have a quick look at the pricing. So we'll click on that. And free forever. Social media downloads, free social media, 275,000 plus templates, 1 million stock images, video clips and clip art, unlimited downloads for social media, and easy to use online editor. Now these ones here, if you wanted to do $9 a month, you get unlimited high resolution image downloads, all features in the free plan, plus unlimited high resolution downloads, one-click background removal, custom fonts, team calibration, scheduling, and social media. And there is more if you choose to go $29 a month. So let's get started. We click on here, and this opens this area just here up. Now if you want to do something like ebook covers, you go over here to where it says Kindle. See where it says Kindle book covers? You click on that one just there, and that opens this area right here up. This gives you options as to the type of books you might want to look at. I mean, a lot of people might choose to go for something like this, or like that, or depending on the type of book you're writing or the type of ebook you've got, you might want to have, say for example, if you have one which is about inspiration, you can have something like that. Or if you wanted to have something to do with whatever, you can do this as well. And as you can see, doesn't have to be GIF images, it can also be still images. And you can just choose the type that you're looking for. I might just choose this one just here. We'll customize the template. We'll just wait a moment. Here it comes. And as you can see, we can move things around. We can change the image if we wish to, change the background. And we can also change the fonts. And we can add our own logo there if we wish to. And as you can see, there is an online editor we can use. Very quick, very simple, very easy. Very similar to Canva in a lot of ways. You can just change the text and so forth, and you can make it really stand out. And of course, this can be put onto your book cover, and you can then put it into your PLR. Add it to your PLR. Alright, now let's assume you've created your ebook and you got your cover and so forth going on the front of your ebook cover on your PDF, and you're able to put that on your PDF, and it's looking really nice. Let's move over and have a look at creating some mock-ups for a 3D book cover. Let's go check it out. Now here we are at a place called Media Modifier. Now I'm just going to quickly, I am logged in. Once again, this one allows you to do things like create 3D mock-ups for your ebooks. Now you can go here to all mockups, and you can go over here and go over here to the free ones. You've got popular or free, so be careful, make sure you choose the free ones if you're wanting to say it's a free customer. And this gives you all these options here. And of course, as you can see, you've got these kind of monitors and so forth, which makes it really good. And then you've got this kind of ebook and this kind of ebook. So let's just choose this particular one right here. So we can do that one, and you hit edit online or PSD. If you're good with Photoshop design, you can use that. Otherwise, you can use the online editor. I don't have Photoshop, and I'm not really good at Photoshop. I'd much rather use GIMP. But that's fine because I'm used to GIMP. But because I'm not using GIMP right now, I can use this one. Now right here you can click on the image, and it allows you to have this. Now we can upload your own image, and we can do that. So I'm just going to quickly upload an image. Now over here I've got this one right here, so just double click on that one and it'll cover this page here. Now I'm going to take that over, and because it has a spine, we need to make sure we take it far enough over to include it on the front cover and not be part of the spine. So I'm happy to do that. Let's go crop, and there we have it. Now if we wanted to, we could also have it so that the image had words and so forth on it, and it could be whatever you want to call it. And of course you've got your other things you can do here as well. You can do your book cover color. You can make it whatever color you want. Say for example you want to make it black, you can do that as well. You can make it red. It doesn't matter what color it happens to be. You can make it white. It's up to you. Because I have a transparent background, it does change it to whatever I choose to make it. Really easy, really flexible. So let's just keep it at the gray where it was, and then we can just go along and choose it. Now we can download this if we wish to. You can download the image, you can save the mock-up image, publish to social media, open InDesign, and open in Crop Tools. Now just to prove to you that this is actually, you have a free option in this one, let's go click over here. Now over here, as you can see, you've got the free. You could download free templates, try all premium templates, and frequently updated quality content, 1 million stock photos from Unsplash, and upgrade at any time. Now you can upgrade for $9 a month, and it gives you a heap more things. And you could also go over here and you can contact them to get unlimited of everything. Right, so these are the 3 ebook sites that you can use that are completely free that you can use. Now remembering that there is this one here, Stencil, does have a limit of 10 per month. So make sure that, if you want to create a few of these books, ebook covers, you probably might want to use this one a bit more sparingly, and perhaps look at going over to Post to My Wall, as you have a much larger chance of getting more images that you can then download. Alright guys, if you like this video, please consider smashing the like button, as well as subscribing and hitting the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. Okay guys, while you're at it, why not consider sharing? And also while you're at it, why not leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of these 3 sites, and if you know of any other sites that you can use besides Canva that can be done to create your ebook covers. Okay guys, thanks for watching, and bye for now.